Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I am Crypto Kip. Today, we're going to be talking about why can't CRO Coin break 10 cents, guys? It's been a struggle for the CRO token. Why isn't this thing breaking above 10 cents? Why is this thing not going to 12 cents already and 15 cents before the end of the year? Well, we're going to take a peek at what's going on with CRO, some of the recent comments from the CEO of Crypto.com, Chris Marsliak, and what Bitcoin's doing, because we have had a beautiful couple days for crypto, a beautiful weekend into the beginning of the week. We were bullish, and now a little retracement right now. Really, only a little retracement, honestly, in the grand scheme of things. Let's get into it. If you like the content, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. Let's look at what's going on. Overall market cap is at 1.59 trillion. Bitcoin dominance is way up. Part of the reason CRO Coin's not quite rallying yet, it is Bitcoin's turn to steal the show. Now, in the last 24 hours, there have been, actually really over the last 7 days, let's look at this. There have been a couple coins that have gone up with Bitcoin. Number one, Ordi. I made about $10,000 on ordinals. Very excited about it in the last 2 weeks, guys. If you want to see how that happened, subscribe to this channel and stay posted with all the videos, guys. We're going to be calling a lot of plays as we see them. But let's talk a little bit about CRO, which has been lagging behind. Why did ordinals pump? It was a Bitcoin-oriented coin. It's about the BRC20 network. It was pumping with Bitcoin, but CRO Coin was not. And there really weren't a lot of exchange tokens pumping lately. KuCoin was the exception. KuCoin was pumping. CRO Coin currently at rank number 29, doing all right at 9.4 cents, up 3% over the last 7 days. A little bit of gains, but arguably a little frustrating if you've been holding the token. Now, I predicted that there's going to be an altcoin rally when Ethereum broke out of this triangle, which is exactly what happened. And we did have some altcoins that rallied. CRO Coin rallied a little bit, but we're really having some trouble with this 10-cent level. We've been bouncing between 8.7 cents and 10 cents for a while. We had one little spike almost up to 12 cents. And you might be asking, well, when are we going to break up out of this region? And the answer is, guys, Bitcoin needs to make even more moves upward. It needs to cool off. We need Bitcoin dominance to relax a little bit. And we need generally all altcoins, not just the BRC20 tokens, all altcoins to start rallying versus Bitcoin. There's been a couple pumpers, a couple rogue coins that have been pumping lately. And overall, the market cap has been going up. And for the most part, CRO Coin's been following this path. But if you're frustrated right now and you're watching CRO and you're looking at it at these levels and you're saying, man, this is frustrating, I understand, guys. You know what? You're holding a coin. You want it to go up. I get it. But don't panic, guys. Don't panic. We are in the beginning of a bull market. Just remember, this is only the beginning, guys. Remember, Cronos chain launched in November of 2021. The Cronos chain, they rebranded to the Cronos token. Used to be the Crypto.com coin. Even used to be called Monaco. Monaco converted to Crypto.com coin. Crypto.com coin. Now they're calling Cronos because they launched the Cronos chain in November of 2021, right at the peak of the bull market. Crypto collapsed. This coin is doing well already in the beginning of this bull market. Look at the move we had just back in October. So I just urge you guys, stay optimistic. Look at these key levels, 8.7 to 10 cents. If we break down below 8.7 cents, we can start talking about 6 cents again, but we haven't really done that. One little wick doesn't quite count. Some people say that which wicks must candlestick sometimes, but we're going to watch this thing play out. I still expect some movement between here. Honestly, guys, since Ethereum has broken out of this formation, this triangle, as long as we stay out of this triangle and Ethereum keeps going up, CRO Coin's moving up soon. In my opinion, guys, let me know what your thoughts are on that in the comments down below. Chris Marsliak, CEO of Crypto.com, being very vocal on Twitter lately, which is great to see, praising the Dogecoin holders. Happy 10th birthday to Dogecoin. Dogecoin just broke 10 cents today. It's its 10th birthday, and Chris Marsliak is tweeting about it. They also now offer, and they're advertising this. This is Chris Marsliak advertising his own products, which is great to see coming into a bull market. You know, we want people to be aware of all the products that Crypto.com offers. If you're a CRO Coin holder, you want them using these products. Strike options are now available for Dogecoin on Crypto.com. So very cool to see. Remember, guys, the Cronos chain is a top 10 protocol when it comes to total value locked up. In the last 7 days, it is up 13%. In the total value locked up in this ecosystem, it's climbing. It's going to continue to climb. Solana has a big gap, $708 locked up in Solana. It's going to be very interesting to watch how Cronos competes against Coinbase's base chain, Solana, Avalanche. Let me know in the comments down below. Do you think Cronos can flip some of these other projects out there? I'm very curious what the thoughts on the community are. I'll say It depends. It depends on how much excitement gets behind the Cronos chain, considering this is the first bull market that the Cronos chains existed, which arguably is potentially very bullish, potentially very, very bullish, potentially, not in the crosshairs of everybody's thoughts. And so it could go either way. But regardless, I'm bullish on the CRO Coin price. I believe, looking at this price, guys, for CRO, you can see, obviously, we're having a little bit of a difficulty versus Bitcoin right now. CRO's coming down versus Bitcoin, but not a surprise considering Bitcoin dominance is way up. Majority of the money invested in crypto is in Bitcoin. 53% of all the money invested in crypto is in Bitcoin. And eventually, CRO Coin's going to rally again against Bitcoin. We look back to the previous years for this, and I'll go to the weekly candles for this, and you can see we're really at the lows compared to Bitcoin right now for CRO. I'm expecting a CRO Coin rally from this point, at least about 700% versus Bitcoin. And looking at the previous high, 96 cents, I'm expecting anywhere from $2 to $5 in this next bull market. I think we're going to shatter previous all-time highs, go up quite a bit. Who knows, guys? Might even be higher than that. In the meantime, I'm staying patient. I'm not worried about the 10-cent level. It has been tough to break. We've bounced off it a couple times, a little frustrating, but don't worry, guys. Just relax. Enjoy life. Enjoy the simple things in life, guys, and enjoy the gains you might be getting on some of the other altcoins. It's not all about CRO Coin. There's a lot of great altcoins out there, like ordinals. If you want access to some of the information we're talking about on other coins out in the space, follow us at the Crypto Report. That's all I got. I'm Crypto Kip. This is a Crypto Report. Smash the like, subscribe to the channel. As always, guys, you got to remember to DCA, HODL. And of course, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. Have a great night. Got 2 videos for you here if you want to check them out. Peace, y'all.